Hey guys, welcome to another Technology Guru video. So a very short and sweet video today of how to find your YouTube live streaming keys. If you're using OBS or any type of streaming software, you're going to need to provide them with your stream key for YouTube if you want to stream on YouTube. So in order to find it, go over to your Creator Studio, click the icon in the upper right-hand corner, go to Creator Studio, and then once you're there, go to the live streaming option here that you're going to see in the menu on the left-hand side here. And then once you're under your live streaming settings, scroll all the way down to where you see encoder setup underneath server URL. You're probably going to need that URL as well, but your stream key will be right here. Go ahead and select all of that, copy it, and then paste it into your streaming software of choice. But remember never to reveal this to anyone else. I think the reasons are pretty obvious. So anyways, guys, that was just a short and sweet tutorial showing you how to find your YouTube stream key. If you have any questions or want to learn how to stream, I've got a bunch of videos I'll put in the description of this video. Until next time, happy streaming.